Hello, it's Joseph, KD7QOW here, and I'm at the base of Bob's Mountain, about a half an hour drive from my work, attempting an after-work activation. It is currently 5 o'clock p.m. It took a little bit longer for me to get here than I anticipated. And the roads up here, even the roads up to this road, which this road is blocked up here by a berm ahead of me. So they did a little tank trap to block it. Anyway, the road up here is not Priusable. The Toyota Prius being my benchmark for a road that's passable by any general passenger vehicle. And I'm carrying a lot more than I usually do on one of these activations. I'm actually carrying my 705, my IC-705, because I also have my heavier fiberglass mast in a Yagi, and I'm carrying my 85 watt linear amplifier for VHF, because I want to try some VHF single sideband, of course, but also flip it to vertical and see how many FM contacts I can make into the Portland area with a little bit of power. And well, not only a little bit of power, but a little bit of power and a little bit of gain. Well, I'm at the top. 604 feet of climbing over 0.9 miles. Not bad at all. So here we are. It looks like a decent size activation zone. This is the summit. And there's a partial view kind of through there on your way up to the summit. It's fine, it's just fine. I'm all set up for VHF single sideband right now. So I have my linear amplifier sitting right there, the 6 ampere-hour battery, the IC-705. CQ, Kilo, Delta 7, Quebec, Oscar Whiskey, calling CQ Sota from Charlie Nancy 85.
This is November, Lima 7, Golf Whiskey, NL7 GW, CN 85, Oregon City. November, Romeo 7, Yankee. Whiskey, Juliet 7, Whiskey, Juliet. Alpha Hotel 6, Lima Echo, CN 85. Kilo 7, Alpha Tango, November.
All right, now here's the cool part. So I built this mount for my Yagi. It's this little guy, this yellow thing right here. And this is I designed on a 3D printer. And what I wanted to be able to do was easily switch polarizations. So this has these little notches that fit into the 2-part mount. And there we go. It just flips, and now my polarization is vertical. So strangely, even after about 5 minutes of calling CQ on FM, which usually nets some sort of contacts near the Portland area, I got nothing. So I switched over to HF and started sending Morse code. All right, so I built a little key for myself. This guy, I made a magnetic return key just because I wanted one. And I think it works pretty well. It's good enough. Well, that was weird. Usually, oh my God. I managed to get 2 HF contacts on CW and then 2 HF contacts on 40 meter single sideband. I could not get any 40 meter CW QSOs. I think it's just because it's a Wednesday night. I don't think people are expecting to see summits on the air activation on Wednesday nights. So that's probably what happened. Yeah, you know, I forgot what a joy though. Just speaking of radios for a second here, I kind of forgot what a joy the IC-705 really is to work with as a radio. Like, you know, it's a little bit heavy for a Sota rig, and it doesn't have a tuner inside. But my goodness, the user interface is so amazing. It's just a great radio, and it's really fun to be able to do some versatility because it's got some mode versatility. So I ended up actually qualifying the summit on VHF single sideband, which I'm pretty proud of. So that was fun. It's fun to just have the novelty of different, not just band agility, but mode agility, right? Like, sure, I don't ever use 160, 80, or 6 meters. I'm not that I won't in the future, but just the amount of the fact that it does all those different modes. Even operating CW on that radio is absolutely wonderful because you've got that band scope and you can see where people are operating. got quite a bit of weight. It is 6:45 on a Wednesday night. I gotta get back down and get home to dinner. It's because I have to be at work tomorrow. Like a, you know, working person, I have a job. So that was kind of cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. 7-3, get out there and go play with your radios.